Alright, let's play a quick game. How many times have you been out and about, maybe grabbing a coffee, or trying to pay a bill, and thought, man, I really need to check my Rogers bank account right now? Or, even worse, did that payment go through? I'm not sure. We've all been there, right? That little pang of financial uncertainty when you're on the go. In today's fast-paced world, having instant access to your banking information is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And if you're a Rogers Bank customer, that means having the Rogers Bank app right at your fingertips. But here's the kicker, how do you actually get it? It might seem like a simple question, but in the maze of app stores and evolving phone interfaces, it's easy to get lost. Think of it like this, you've got this powerful financial tool, your Rogers Bank account, but it's locked in a vault, and the app is the key. Today, we're going to forge that key together. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, so you can access your account anytime, anywhere. Before we dive into the download itself, let's quickly touch on why having the Rogers Bank app is so crucial. It's not just about checking your balance. It's about taking control of your financial life. Imagine being able to instantly transfer funds between accounts, pay bills on the fly, and even deposit checks without ever stepping foot in a branch. Plus, with security features like biometric login and real-time transaction alerts, you can rest assured your finances are protected. Now, let's get down to business. The first thing you'll need is your smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android device. The process is slightly different for each, so we'll cover both. For iPhone users, open the App Store, look for the blue icon with the white A, that's your gateway to millions of apps. Tap it to open the App Store. Search for Rogers Bank. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap it and type in Rogers Bank. Make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any confusion. Identify the official app. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Rogers Bank app. It will typically have the Rogers Bank logo and a high rating. Double-check that the developer is Rogers Bank to ensure you're downloading the legitimate app. Tap Get. Once you've found the correct app, tap the Get button. This will initiate the download. Authenticate. Depending on your iPhone settings, you might be asked to authenticate the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for the download. The app will begin downloading and installing. This process might take a few moments, depending on your internet connection. Open the app. Once the download is complete, the Get button will change to Open. Tap it to launch the Rogers Bank app. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, look for the triangle icon with the Google Play logo. Tap it to open the Play Store. Search for Rogers Bank. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap it and type in Rogers Bank. Identify the official app. Just like with the iPhone, look for the official Rogers Bank app. Pay attention to the logo, rating, and developer. Tap Install. Once you've found the correct app, tap the Install button. Grant permissions. The app might ask for certain permissions, such as access to your camera for mobile check deposit. Review the permissions and tap Accept if you're comfortable. Wait for the download and installation. The app will download and install automatically. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch the Rogers Bank app. Now that you've downloaded the app, you're not quite done yet. You'll need to set it up and log into your account. Setting up the Rogers Bank app. Launch the app. Open the Rogers Bank app from your home screen. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the initial setup process. This might involve agreeing to terms and conditions, setting up biometric login, and creating a secure PIN. Login. You'll need to log in using your Rogers Bank online banking credentials. This is the same username and password you use to access your account through the website. Verify your identity. For security purposes, Rogers Bank may ask you to verify your identity through a text message or email verification code. Explore the app. Once you're logged in, take some time to explore the app's features. Familiarize yourself with the different sections, such as account balances, transaction history, and bill payments. Troubleshooting common issues. Sometimes, things don't go as smoothly as planned. Here are a few common issues you might encounter and how to troubleshoot them. App not downloading. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from downloading. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Restart your device and try again. App not installing. Ensure your device's operating system is compatible with the Rogers Bank app. Check the App Store for minimum system requirements. Try clearing the cache and data of the App Store. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the App Store itself. Login issues. Double-check your username and password. Make sure you have an active internet connection. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen. If you're still having trouble, contact Rogers Bank customer support. Biometric login issues. Ensure that your fingerprint or face data is properly registered on your device. Restart your device and try registering the biometric data again. Ensure the camera or fingerprint sensor is clean. Tips for maximizing the Rogers Bank app. Enable biometric login. This will make logging in quick and secure. Set up real-time transaction alerts. This will help you stay on top of your account activity and detect any unauthorized transactions. Use mobile check deposit. Save time by depositing checks directly from your smartphone. Pay bills on the go. Avoid late fees by paying bills directly from the app. Regularly update the app. Keep your app up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security updates. Explore the app's help and FAQ section. Most questions you have can be answered there. Having the Rogers Bank app is like having a mini branch in your pocket. It gives you the freedom and flexibility to manage your finances on your own terms. Remember, security is paramount. Never share your login credentials with anyone, and always keep your device and app updated. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the convenience and peace of mind that comes with having the Rogers Bank app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.